Okay, so as you can see, there's my O2 sensor. I got the ratchet on it. That special socket's got that little slice in it, so it'll turn. I already broke it loose, so that way the wire will spin around with the socket. This is bank 1. This is on the passenger side. Ford 4.0 overhead valve. So this will come out like so, and you put the new in just like you take this out. You don't have to torque it down real tight. And then this clip will go to this clip right up here. Clip them in. Done deal. Pretty easy and simple. We're going to put the new one in right quick.